Hey there, YouTube. Well, looks like we have another vacuum battle. Right here, I have that Hoover that I was talking about to you in our last video, the pilot episode. I told you it is kind of crappy when it comes to picking up small particles. I'm not sure about large particles. And over here, you probably remember this vacuum cleaner. It is the Kirby Clasic, made in 1969, 1CR. So without further ado, let's go over a couple features on both of these machines. As you can see, the Hoover Wind Tunnel is a bagless machine. It is actually called the Hoover Wind Tunnel Air Light. And this is well, you know what it is. But this is a shakeout bag system, and that's a bagless system. So I have to wash all filters and a lot of stuff on this one comparing to this one. You just have to empty the bag on this one. But because if it's a direct air machine, this machine cleans better than this one, I think. But without further ado, we'll get ready for the test. So I'm going to use the Hoover Wind Tunnel 3. And we put down dog food, so I'm not sure how it's going to perform. But further ado, let's get started with the test. Well, here's an unexpected test. It only left about one particle. So that's not bad for large particles, but for small particles, this machine is not the machine for you. Now, let's see how good the suction is. Alright, so that machine did pretty good. It's a little broken also because of flimsy plastic. Now let's see the Kirby. I think I'm going to put this height setting on 1, 2, 3, 4. I think I'm going to put it on 4. Now let's see what this Kirby does. Do you think we should go? I think we should. So they both did a pretty good job, but I would say the win goes to the Kirby because, well, it picked all that dust up in one pass. The Hoover right here needed a little help by its hose right here. But anyways, these two are very good machines. I would give the Hoover 7 out of 10, and I would give this 9.5 out of 10. Because this one's better at cleaning small particles and large particles, and this machine is good at picking up medium particles. So, yeah. I think this machine is better than my Bissell in there that my brother won't let me get rid of because the motor in it is broken. But anyways, I will see you in our next video. But before that, I want to show you that both brushes are indeed working. So, you can see it, okay? To not cheat, I'll show you that both brushes are working. You can see that. And same with the Kirby. Well, the bag pooped on me, which was pretty funny. So anyways, these two machines are very good, and I would recommend them both. Like this for medium particles, and this for 2 different types comparing to this one, large and small. So I'll see you later. Goodbye.